Hi, this is Kandia with Kandia Haynesworth Designs. Thank you so much for joining in. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Epson printer. It is called the Expression Home XP446. And this is going to be used for something I'm adding to my embroidery studio next year. I'm going to be doing RIP shirts. They are memory shirts. And so these are Keepsake shirts. And Keepsake shirts are not generally worn all of the time. They are made when somebody passes away or for a child's birthday, but it's not something that is worn all of the time. And so this printer will do the trick here. And so this printer was sent to me by a friend and a fan who watches my YouTube channel. Got it wrong. I had made a comment once about watching one of Reyes the Entertainer here on YouTube, who had recommended this for this kind of shirt, those kind of shirts. So I was quite happy when I received the news that I would be getting one. And so as you can see, it's nice and compact. I can tell you it's a nice size. It's nice and clean and slick. It has a flat bed. And it comes with the CD, and it has these refill ink cartridges and the adapter. Okay. Very cute though. Alright, so I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to plug it in and see if we can get this started. Okay, so when you first cut it on, it's going to ask you what kind of language do you want. I've already selected English. And then it's going to have this message appear indicating that it is time to install the cartridges. Okay, and so it should be easy to do this. Well, that slides out, as you can see. That's not what I meant to do. So lifting it up here, you can see that it's very easy to install the cartridges. At least that's what I am predicting, because right here is going to be where the cartridges are installed. And so let me grab them and open them. They come in this little pack here. 4. Okay, so I'm just opening these blistered packs here. They are sealed very nicely. Alright, and then I just have one more. It comes with 4. Let's see. Alright, and now installing these are going to be very easy. Each one of them have this little tag on it. Alright, and so you just want to remove that. And then this color is going to be magenta. You want to pair it up accordingly. Alright, so we're going to start with either the black one or the blue one. First, I'm just going to remove all of these, and then I'm just going to pop in. And so you want to pair up this little, I can't even think what is it called, but you want to pair up this, can you see that, with, let me just get a little closer in. So you want to pair it up like so, like that, and just slide it in, and it snaps right in. Right, and then you want to do the next one. I'm just going to grab the yellow one, take off that little yellow tab, and then I'm just going to slide it in like so. And then I'm going to grab the magenta and take off that little yellow tab, and then slide it in. It doesn't actually snap, but you can feel that it goes in. And then for the last one, let me just see if we can get a closer look so you can see what I'm doing here. For the last one, okay, I'm just going to make sure that that tag is removed. All right. And remember, this part should be facing you. This part should be the side that's going inside. And you are pairing it up with those little grooves right there. and you're just sliding it in like so. It's like a drop and load, and there you go. Very easy. Okay, so we're just going to close the lid, and I'm just going to press OK, or actually maybe start. Oh, this is start, sorry. And it's going to tell you that it's checking the ink cartridges. So I guess it's just checking to see if I installed them properly. And it says install, please wait, do not turn the power off while initializing is complete. This takes about 4 minutes. Okay, so we're going to let it do its thing, and then I will return. Okay, it's ready. So the one thing I want to point out is that this does not come with a USB cord. And so when you get this, you'll be able to plug it in. You'll be able to make copies, but you won't be able to print off your computer if you do not have a cord, a USB cord, okay? And so you need that, and I believe that it's the standard, or it's the old edition of the USB cord with the box, and then the USB that plugs into the computer. So make sure that you pick up one of these. If you're going to purchase this from Walmart, this printer can be purchased at Walmart. I'll post the link below, and I will post a link below for a cord as well. So this way you have everything you need once it arrives. And yes, I am an affiliate of Walmart, and I would be compensated if you purchase the printer from this link. Just because I mentioned it in my video. All right, and so I would earn a compensation or a small commission. Okay, so I'm just going to plug this into the back of the printer, and then this into my laptop. Okay, so let's go over the features here. Okay, so it has a flat bed. You lift up here, and then it has this pull-out tray for the paper with a flip-down lid to catch the paper. And then back here, let's see, it has a little flap that covers the paper slots. You can close that down when you're not using it. This slides up, and then this slides again, extends out. So that's where the feed is going to be. All right, and so it's a cute little printer though. Overall, it's a very cute little printer. It has this little push screen, a color screen here, Wi-Fi. But what I do like is, what I notice is it has a memory card slot. So that is very cute that you can actually put in a memory card and print your pictures or your documents off of a memory card. Okay, so this didn't require any installation at all. I was able just to plug it up, give it a few minutes, and then I was able to recognize it in my printer menu. And so I didn't have to install anything in regards to a CD or something. And it's saying that I'm out of paper, and I don't know why. Okay, so it looks like it's printing. It's not loud, you know, it's kind of quiet. And I'm just printing a black and white copy. And so, just like a regular standard printer. And I like it. Nice and crisp. So it's a cute little printer for what I need it for. And so I give it a thumbs up.